It was unusual that despite having the signals for the main line, the train entered the loop line where the goods train was standing.
तमिलनाडु के तिरुवल्लुवर जिले में 11 अक्टूबर को एक बड़ा रेल हादसा हुआ। मैसूरू से दरभंगा जाने वाली एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन की एक मालगाड़ी से टक्कर हो गई। ये टक्कर चेन्नई गुदूर सेक्शन में पनेरी और कवड़ेपेट्टाई रेलवे स्टेशन के बीच शाम करीब 8:30 बजे हुई। इस हादसे के बाद ट्रेन के 12 डब्बे पटरी से उतर गए, जिससे अफरा तफरी मच गई। इस दुर्घटना में कम से कम 19 यात्रियों के घायल होने की खबर है। राहत और बचाव कार्य तुरंत शुरू कर दिए गए हैं और सभी यात्रियों को सुरक्षित बाहर निकाल दिया गया है। रेलवे अधिकारियों के अनुसार राहत दल ने तेजी से काम करते हुए घायलों को इलाज के लिए नजदीकी अस्पताल में भर्ती कराया है। हादसे के कारण ट्रेन के कई डब्बे पूरी तरह क्षतिग्रस्त हो गए हैं, लेकिन समय पर बचाव अभियान से बड़ा नुकसान टल चुका है।
This train was going towards Gudur and further to Andhra Pradesh and via Odisha. It would have gone to Darbhanga. So it started from Mysore. So while going towards Gudur, it has to pass this station. So at this station, goods train was stabled at the loop line, and this was given precedence. So this was supposed to pass via the main line, run through without stopping. There is no stoppage here. And signals were also given for the main line. But it was unusual that despite having the signals for the main line, the train entered the loop line where the goods train was standing. So it hit the goods train from behind. And because of which this engine has derailed. But fortunately both our loco pilot and assistant loco pilot are hale and hearty. I mean, now we are, after taking their statement, we will relieve them. And the immediate coach behind the engine, which was power car cum parcel, so that caught fire, perhaps because power car is a diesel engine. So, but that no damage was caused to any human because of that, and the fire was doused by immediately ambulances reached, and rescue teams from railway, from fire department and from railway police and state police, they reached well in time, including ambulances and railway doctors, senior officers, and fortunately there was no death, and all the injured were immediately moved to the nearby hospital, Stanley Hospital, and some were also moved to the Madras college. Medical college.
So how long it will take to clear this?
First priority is to treat the injured, which has already been done. Now, next priority is to take the passengers to Chennai, where a special train is waiting to take them to their respective destination, to Odisha, Andhra and Bihar, Jharkhand. And then parallelly we are also going to restore it as soon as possible. Already our accident relief train is on way, next station Panari, so which is 6 kilometers away. So it is moving towards the site. So all the 4 lines are now blocked. So it may take approximately maybe 15-16 hours when we are able to clear the whole track.